Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make animation of historical book images in After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, we have 6 images. Let's see. First image, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now choose these images. Click toggle switch mode and turn on 3D layer. Then first let's create new camera tool. Right click, new and camera. And preset, I will choose 50mm. Click OK. So for camera movements, let's create null object. Right click and camera, create orbit null. For move the anchor point center, hold Ctrl and double click pen behind icon. So in this time, let's go to view and choose 2 views. And this is my main view. And this is custom view 1. We can choose custom view 1 here, or 2 or 3. So first one, let's zoom out and choose image 1, press P and move to back for z-axis. And image 2, also press P and move to back. And let's zoom to here. Okay. And let's choose image 1 and 2. Go to solo and image 1, press S, change scale. Okay, and image 2, also press S, change scale. And put here. Okay, choose image 3. Let's go to solo and move to back. And press S, change scale. And put here. And image 4, go to solo. And move to back. And press S, change scale. Move to left like this. And image 5, go to solo. And let's move to here, press S, change scale. Move to right. And image 6, go to solo. And we can move to front a little bit like this. And put here. Can change scale. Okay, so in this time, let's back to V1. And unsolo all of them layers. Close settings. And choose camera 1 and press P. Let's zoom to like this. And also moved up. And move to center. So let's create new position keyframe. And go to 2 seconds. And move to down. Choose keyframes and make it easy. Right click keyframe and easy or click F9. Let's play animation. Let's change quality for now quarter. Okay, let's move to right a little bit. And for smooth continue animation, let's create another null object. New and null. So turn on 3D layer. Choose camera orbit 1. Link to null 4. Select null 4. Press P. And go to here. Create new passing keyframe and go to 6 seconds. And let's zoom out like this. Okay, so let's see problems. We have problems with layer areas. Choose this layer, layer 3, press P and move to back. Also move to right. Okay. And also layer 2, let's move to up for see empty areas. And layer 4, we can move to up, and layer 5, move to up like this. Let's choose layer 4 and move to here. For hide these empty areas, let's see. Okay, and layer 5. Move to up, press S, change scale. Let's move like this. Okay, and finally layer 6. Move to here. Okay, we have one problem here, this empty area. Let's see. Okay, and layer 4 can move to up, and layer 5 move to up like this. and change scale, put here. Okay, and let's fix a little bit problem here, and layer 4. Nice. And finally choose layer 6 and move to up, change sizes. Okay, result is good, and click this for black background. So in this time, choose this book image, drag and drop into composition like this, and turn on 3D layer and press S, change scale, press P, and move to back for Z-axis. Okay, press S, change scale, and let's change scale more, and put here this image. So in this time, let's choose this null and make it keyframes before ease, and select last keyframe, move to right and move to back, also move to center and move to up. Okay, let's preview animation, go to first second and play. Okay, not bad, but we have some problems, let's fix it. First, select this null object 4 and choose keyframes, go to graph editor and choose first keyframe, let's make it smooth. Back to keyframe, select first keyframe, move to left. And also choose keyframes camera 1 orbit null, go to graph editor and make it graph smooth. Preview animation. Okay, not bad. And back to keyframes, let's close all of them settings and create background layers. Right click, new and solid layer. Add the name background, click OK, move to behind of layers. Again, Ctrl D for duplicate and change name grid. And hide grid for now, choose background, go to FX presets, search effect gradient ramp and choose gradient ramp, use for background layer. And in color, let's choose here light blue. And ramp shape, choose radial ramp and swap colors. So go to solo, hold this point, move to center and this move to down. And for remove noises, change ramp scatter 100. And let's unsolo. Okay, choose this grid, let's enable, go to FX presets, search effect grid and use for grid layer. And size form, choose width slider and border 3 and opacity. Change opacity like this. And also width slider, change sizes. Okay. Nice. So for final, let's add some interesting. Choose this null object and press R, open rotation. And go to here. In this time, create X and Y rotations. Go to here and change X rotation a little bit, like this. And Y rotation. Let's see. Okay, choose keyframes and make it easy. Nice. So guys, for final, let's choose this book and go to last seconds and Ctrl D for duplicate and choose book, change name, glow and go to FX presets, search effect glow and use for glow layer. And now let's change glow radius and like this. Okay, let's see difference. Nice. We can go to FX presets, search effect hue saturation, use for glow and change glow color. Let's use like this. Okay, that's good. And go to project, choose this dust and screen, drag and drop into composition and turn off audio. Mode, choose here add and right click, go to transform fit to comp. So guys, thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.